What is going on, Sheep Army? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about Bone Shibaswap token, guys, as well as a little bit of an update about the BRC20 token for Bone. So before I get into it, like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone Shibaswap token. So taking a quick look at Bones, sitting at 75 cents, guys. I actually just purchased some um right before I made this video, actually. So the fact of the matter is, for me, when it comes to Bone, this is gonna continue to be an accumulating asset that I'm gonna continue to accumulate until, you know, really until the bear market is over with. Like, that's on all honesty. I had to think about it. Like, when am I really gonna stop? Like, until after the Bitcoin halving. And even if the halving, if Bone don't pop off after the halving happened, typically there is that still there's still that range between about let's say about 13 months after the halving, still be able to accumulate even more just in case it does not go up right away. So super convicted about this asset, and hence why majority of my videos is about Bone. So one thing to note too, guys, whenever you're looking at assets, and this is a common theme within the stock market as well as within crypto, after consolidation, if there's a positive event that happened, whether it's use case or a big news or partnership and stuff like that happen after a consolidation, you tend to see big parabolic moves like this. Had this big up move followed by consolidation here, parabolic action, consolidation, parabolic action. Now we're currently in a consolidation. So the same thing with people say like, oh, she was dead, and all this and that. Like, no, you don't understand the pattern if you actually think Shiba Inu is dead. Like, it is currently in a consolidation, and the great thing about this consolidation is actually going to be the longest. The more and more asset consolidate, the better it is, because a lot of these people who bought in here, they tend to get tired and they tend to sell off during the consolidation period. So these overhead as far as resistance, they tend to be less and less, because I believe they say within the first year, right, people, as far as when it comes to bag holders, people who buy like at the top, if they don't dollar cost average out, I mean, if they don't dollar cost average their position, they're gonna be the one who's selling over here. So they actually get eliminated from being, a high area as far as resistance. So more and more consolidate, the bigger the pop is gonna be, and not to mention when Shibarium come out, some of those tokens for this 589 trillion is gonna be locked away on the bridge, guys, on for the layer two. So this is gonna cause somewhat of a supply squeeze. So we should see all-time highs like getting destroyed during a bull market. So now this video is not about Shiba Inu. It is mainly about Bone, because if we take a look at Bone, guys, and we've just been in a consolidation since it launched, because all you see here, guys, of course, yeah, we had this move to like the $3 mark, but at the time our max supply, or even our total supply, wasn't even close to where it's at right now. So really all this is, guys, is just number consolidation. And for me, like I mentioned, it is areas of opportunity for me to be able to accumulate, because one, the main use case for Bone is not out, which is Shibarium. That is still in the process of being launched as far as with the mainnet. And two, the Bitcoin having haven't happened to signify that, hey, there is a shift in the market. So right now there's no shift, there's no use case. So again, I will continue to accumulate. So now there is a little bit of a news as far as with the BRC20 token Bone. So it actually reached top five. So top five BRC token. This was this was on May 17th. So it's been a few days. So you have Ordi as far as with quote unquote market cap, 341 million. You had VMPX 19 million, Pepe 14 million, the Pizza 10 million, and Bone at 9.2 million. As far as for market cap. So again, this thing, I'm telling you guys, this thing is gonna be serious, especially when Bone, the ERC version of Bone, starts to rocket. I'm telling you, if this Bone gets to 20, 30, 40, $50, the BRC 20 token version of Bone will at least get to $2, guys. And again, I have 425,000, so $2 for this, I'm gonna be looking pretty good, you know. And again, this is still gonna allow it to have time to be able to for the BRC 20 as far as liquidity and all this and that to be built out. Binance is actually creating their own as well too. That news just came out sometime this week as well too. They're creating their own, almost like a DEX, where you're going to be able to trade. So the liquidity's coming. I'm early to the game. I'm happy, and I'm glad that they made a version of Bone on the BRC 20 because, like someone mentioned in the comment, this is a hack. So yeah, guys, thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. Sorry I didn't make the video yesterday. I was actually on the road by the time I got back. Yeah, it was the next day. But yeah, guys, this is Random March signing off. If you found value in this content, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone Shibaswap token. Random March guys signing off. Peace.